Today I'm going to demonstrate how to properly adjust the cane to the height that you need. When standing, the height of the cane should fall align with your wrist. So as you can see, this is a little higher for me. A simple adjustment, and we're going to press the button in and push the cane towards the base 2 times, tighten the screw on the bottom, and realign. The cane falls in line with my wrist, and it is proper for me to use this. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found our information helpful. If your pain persists, please contact your physician.